Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the console and locating your CFG folder so changes stick. This is essential because binds in the wrong file won't persist. Open the console with the tilde key, then open your AutoExec CFG in a text editor. Once done, back up the original config to avoid mistakes. Make sure the file ends in exec AutoExec CFG in your main config so Tf2 loads it automatically. This prevents losing your bind after restarts and speeds testing. You now write the actual bind and understand why it works. Bind key, kill tells the game to run the suicide command on press, useful for class swaps or clearing a stuck state. If you prefer toggle style or want a confirmation, create an alias like alias plus killbind kill and bind that instead, because aliases let you expand behavior later. After saving AutoExec CFG, use the console to exec the file and test on a local server to ensure no key conflicts interfere. You finish by saving, executing, and verifying the bind in-game so it's reliable. This step matters because only testing confirms persistence and compatibility. If it fails, check for conflicting binds with bind list or temporarily unbind the key to isolate the issue. Also make sure server settings allow the kill command. Some servers restrict it or block custom configs. If problems persist, restore your backup, reapply the single bind, and retest until the command behaves predictably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.